Hi there, I'm registered dietitian nutritionist and mama of two, Whitney English. I am a huge fan of these new bento style containers. They're cute, convenient, and eco-friendly. Stainless steel is the best option for plastic-free food storage because it's sturdy, non-toxic, and sustainable. And Bentgo's boxes are the first stainless steel lunchbox on the market with leak-resistant technology. Let me tell you, in case you haven't been there before, having spaghetti sauce seep out all over your posh diaper bag is not fun. They also have smooth rolled edges, kid-friendly latches, and are top shelf dishwasher safe for super easy cleaning. The sleek boxes come in eye-catching colors including green, purple, fuchsia, blue, and silver. Another reason I love Bentgo's stainless steel lunchboxes is that they come with non-toxic silicone containers that can be used in the large or medium compartments. The lunchboxes are recommended for children 3 to 7, but they're great for teens and adults too. I use mine at home with my 3-year-old. You can grab Bentgo's stainless steel lunchboxes on their website and on Amazon, along with tons of other awesome storage products. I'm Whitney, thanks for watching.